If you've ever tried to replace text in PowerPoint with Lorem Ipsum and suddenly your animation stopped working, this video is for you. Most tutorials online show you how to generate random text, but they don't tell you how to do it without destroying your animations. Today, I'm going to show you the right way to do it, from start to finish. By the end of this video, you'll be able to replace all the text in your slides with Lorem Ipsum while keeping every animation, transition, and visual effect intact. Let me first show you the problem most of us run into. Here's a slide with a clean, modern animation. This was designed for a real project. Now imagine I want to reuse this slide as a template or share it without exposing the real content. Naturally, I want to replace the text with Lorem Ipsum. Most videos online will tell you to do this. Insert, text box, type equals Lorem open paren, and press enter. Yes, it generates random text, but watch what happens next. Notice the problem? The animation is gone. The text no longer behaves the way it was designed to. This is the part most tutorials don't warn you about. PowerPoint replaces the text object in a way that wipes out animation data. That's why designers often have to reanimate everything, which is a waste of time. Now, let me show you the better, automated way. We're going to use a VBA macro that replaces text without touching the animation layer. This method works across multiple slides, keeps shapes and motion intact, and it's fully reversible. First, we need a script. Go to upresent.co. Credits to them for providing this VBA solution. The link is in the description. Scroll. Copy the entire VBA code. Make sure you copy the full code. Now let's bring this into PowerPoint. Press Alt F11. This opens the VBA editor. Inside the VBA window, insert, module, paste the copied code. You could leave this window open for now. If this is your first time running a macro, PowerPoint may ask you to save the file differently. File, Save As, Browse. Change file type to PowerPoint Macro Enabled Presentation, .pptm. This step is critical. Macros won't run properly without it. Now let's run the macro. View, Macros, or Alt F8. Select Replace Text with Lorem. Double-click to run. You'll see a few prompts. Just click OK or Yes. You can also customize the default text here, but I'll leave it random. Give it a moment depending on how many slides you have. Scroll through slides. All the text has been replaced. Now the real test, the animations. As you can see, everything still works. Motion, timing, layout, all intact. If you don't like the result, you can simply press Ctrl-Z to undo. You can also rerun the macro across multiple slides or presentations. So, that's how you replace text in PowerPoint without breaking animations. Most videos don't cover this, but now you know how to do it properly. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Fix It tutorial.